Hi, Stanley here, and I have something very useful for you. How many times have you been overwhelmed by information that only confused you? You watch videos, read articles, and in the end you feel even more lost. I've been there. There are so many strategies and methods out there that it seems like you'll never find one that works. But today I want to show you a simple and effective approach that helps me always make clear decisions. Just 2 tools and they give consistent results. So be sure to watch this video to the end to understand all the subtleties of the strategy. I'll explain and show you everything. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and liking this video. My name's Stanley and I'm getting started. First, let's prepare the tools for trading. I'm setting classic candles and selecting a 1-minute time frame. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Bollinger Bands and the CCI. Let's configure the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let's set period to 10, set deviation to 2, go to Style, disable middle, set background to white, and let's set top to turquoise and set the width to 2 and set the bottom width to 2 and save. Let's configure the CCI indicator next. Set period to 10, go to Style, set background to white. Let's set the width of the -100 line to 2. Let's make line 100 turquoise and set the width to 2. Set the main line to pink and set the width to 2. And save. So, the indicators are ready to go. And friends, if you trade on your phones, you can set them up the same way. First situation. The expiry time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. Now I'll show you in detail how this strategy works. Look, it's very simple. The pink line of the CCI indicator touched the upper turquoise line and began to show a decline, which is the first signal of a possible start of a downtrend. When the CCI reaches the upper line and then begins to decline, this usually indicates a weakening of the upward movement and a transition of the market to a decline. The second signal comes from the Bollinger Bands indicator. The candles touch the upper turquoise line. This also indicates that the market has exhausted its upward energy and a downtrend is likely to begin. When candles touch the upper border of the Bollinger Bands, it often indicates that the trend has peaked and is ready to reverse downward. Together, these 2 signals provide strong confirmation for a bearish trade. Let's see. Yes, the first trade worked out great. I made a profit of $1,840. So, let's move on to the next entry. If you want to stay up to date on the latest strategies and receive fresh analytics every day, you can join my free Telegram channel. We share knowledge, support each other, and grow together. If anything in this video is unclear to you, you can always ask a question or contact me. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and grow with us. On Telegram, you will find useful tips to help you make confident decisions. So please join while it's still available. I see a signal. The expiration time is 3 minutes. And I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows a clear, smooth downward movement and the trend looks confident and strong, which gives confidence in its continuation. The candles are updating their lows, confirming that the downward movement continues to gain strength and the market is moving in the right direction. The indicators also confidently support this movement, which only reinforces confidence in the continuation of the trend. All signs indicate that the downward trend will continue, as the market shows no signs of reversal. With the current dynamics, we can expect the decline to continue. And again, a confident plus. There's $1,840 in profit. So we keep trading. Here's an excellent opportunity. The expiry time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. All signals are in place and the chart shows a confident upward movement. This is the perfect moment to enter, as all confirming factors indicate continued growth and strengthening of the uptrend. Previously, there was a downward movement on the chart, but it has already dried up, and now the upward energy is coming to the fore. We see how the trend is gradually changing its direction, and with each new high, it becomes clear that the upward force prevails. This is confirmed by both the movement of the candles and the indicators. The energy of the uptrend is accumulating and beginning to manifest itself actively. Given the current dynamics, we can confidently expect the trend to continue upward. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a direct message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Yes, another trade closed in the black and brought in $1,840. Let's move on. Next entry point. The expiration time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows a strong pullback from the resistance zone, which is a clear sign that the market is struggling to continue its growth. This may be the first sign that the price has peaked and is ready to reverse, starting to move in the opposite direction. The indicators also confirm this reversal, which significantly strengthened confidence in the correctness of the chosen direction. When the indicators support the picture, it increases the likelihood of successful implementation. And given the current situation and taking all factors into account, we can expect the pullback to continue and the trend to most likely head downward. This moment provides an excellent opportunity to enter the market, as all signals point to a continuation of the downward movement. And given the current dynamics, a successful outcome is expected. And there's profit again. I earned another $1,840 and my balance is now $14,140. So, let's sum up the results. I'm quite happy with the result. Increasing my account from $6,780 to $14,140 is an excellent example of how a clear strategy and a competent approach to trading work. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to learn more, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!